there, and welcome to Tammy Talk TV, where we share ways to live with purpose, passion, and perseverance. Today it's Tammy Tip Tuesday, and on Tip Tuesdays we share one tip a week related to a common theme. Our current theme is how to make a fabulous first impression. But first, as always, a quick programming note. If you're watching this as part of the Everyday Vacay Cyber Seminar series, just be aware that these Tip Tuesdays are part of our public YouTube channel, so comments that you make here will be public, as opposed to our classroom videos in which the comments are contained to the classroom. Okay, so back to how to make a fabulous first impression. And today we have tip number 3. And tip number 3 is to have a healthy handshake, because handshakes are our physical calling card. And there are 3 basic elements to a good handshake. First of all is a firm palm-to-palm grasp. Now you don't want to shake someone's fingers, because if they have arthritis that really hurts, and if not, it's still just awkward and uncomfortable. So it's a firm palm-to-palm grasp. It lasts about 3 seconds and it includes eye contact. So the trick is, don't hold on too long and don't hold on too tightly, because both of those things imply a control issue. But on the flip side of that, you also don't want to have a weak handshake. So just be sure it's a firm palm-to-palm grasp lasting about 3 seconds and including some eye contact. Now, a good handshake does require some practice, and unfortunately our pets are not the best partners for that. However, children really can be, depending on the age of the child. And that actually does 2 things. It allows you to practice your handshake in a non-judgmental atmosphere, but it also teaches the child to be comfortable shaking hands, because just like anything else, the earlier you learn something like that, the easier and more natural it becomes. So teach your children to shake hands, whether you need to practice or not, and that way it will just be a natural, ingrained behavior. So there's your Tuesday tip for how to make a fabulous first impression. If you'd like to add to our conversation, you can always drop your comments in the box below, but I know if you're watching on some streaming devices, you might not be able to get to the comment box below. In that case, just head over to tammytalk.com, hit that social tab, choose your favorite social media network, and comment there. We look forward to hearing from you. And if you're just generally tired and frustrated, click the link below for a free cyber seminar that details the causes and the cure. See you next week.